Have you ever wondered if there's a simple yet effective way to draw prosperity into your life? This foot washing ritual using specific ingredients can be a powerful practice for manifesting wealth, attracting abundance, and clearing negative energy that might be blocking your path to success. By combining intention, symbolism, and the natural properties of these ingredients, you can align yourself with the energy of prosperity and welcome positive changes into your life. The act of washing your feet is not just about physical cleanliness, but about spiritual renewal, opening the way for blessings to flow freely and abundantly. Let's explore how you can use this ancient practice to bring more prosperity into your life. Why wash your feet for abundance? Our feet are symbolic of our connection to the earth. They ground us, support our movement, and represent our journey through life. In many spiritual traditions, the feet are considered sacred because they are in constant contact with the earth's energies. Washing your feet in a mindful and intentional way is more than a simple act of cleansing. It is a symbolic gesture that clears away negativity and opens the pathways for prosperity and abundance. This ritual helps release the energetic blockages that may be holding you back and invites positive vibrations into your life, setting the stage for success and financial well-being. By washing your feet, you are also paying homage to the spiritual importance of your journey. Every step you take in life is significant, and by cleansing your feet, you symbolically cleanse your path, making it clear and open for new opportunities. This ritual isn't just about physical cleanliness, it's about creating a strong foundation for the future, ensuring that you are energetically aligned with your highest potential. In many cultures, foot washing is an act of respect and reverence, signifying a fresh start and an invitation for blessings. When you engage in this ritual, you are inviting the energy of transformation, signaling that you are ready to release old patterns and make way for a prosperous future. Ingredients you will need. For this ritual, you will need a few simple yet powerful ingredients that are known for their energetic properties. 1. Sea salt. Sea salt is a powerful cleanser that purifies negative energy and removes stagnant vibrations. It is a key ingredient in this ritual because it helps cleanse your energy field and prepare you to receive abundance. Sea salt has been used in spiritual practices for centuries because of its natural ability to absorb negativity and promote purity. It connects you to the cleansing properties of the ocean and helps you let go of anything that no longer serves you. The salt will create a protective shield around you, keeping negative energies at bay while attracting positive vibrations. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is well known for its ability to attract abundance, prosperity, and positive energy. Its warm, sweet scent uplifts the spirit and brings good fortune. Cinnamon is often used in rituals related to wealth and success, as it is believed to boost the energy of your intentions and bring rapid results. The warmth and spice of cinnamon symbolize the fiery energy needed to attract wealth and success into your life. Cinnamon's vibration is also said to accelerate the manifestation process, making your intentions materialize more quickly. 3. Bay leaves. Bay leaves have long been associated with success, manifestation, and wealth. They are often used in rituals to attract prosperity and to make wishes come true. Bay leaves are known for their protective qualities and their ability to enhance the energy of manifestation. Writing your wishes on a bay leaf and then using it in a ritual is a traditional practice for helping those desires come to fruition. By incorporating bay leaves into this foot washing ritual, you are enhancing your ability to attract abundance. The aromatic essence of bay leaves also has a calming effect, helping you stay centered and focused on your goals. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has purifying properties that help to remove negative energy and promote clarity. It symbolizes new beginnings and helps to create a clean slate for your intentions. The fresh scent of lemon helps to uplift your spirit, bringing mental clarity and a sense of renewal. Lemon juice is also a symbol of purification, and using it in this ritual ensures that any lingering negative energies are cleared away, making space for prosperity. The acidic nature of lemon helps dissolve negative vibrations and replaces them with light and freshness, fostering an atmosphere of positivity. 5. A bowl of warm water. The warm water is the base of this ritual, representing comfort, relaxation, and the flow of positive energy. Water is a natural conductor of energy and symbolizes the fluidity of abundance. Warm water specifically helps to relax the body and mind, making it easier for you to connect with your intention and be open to receiving. The warmth also helps to soften your feet, symbolizing that you are open and ready to receive the blessings of abundance. Water's gentle flow reminds us that wealth and opportunities can come effortlessly, just like the natural flow of a river. How to perform the foot washing ritual. Here's how you can perform this powerful foot washing ritual to attract wealth and abundance. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Gather all the ingredients: sea salt, cinnamon, bay leaves, lemon juice, and a bowl of warm water. Find a comfortable and quiet place where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. Make sure the water is warm enough to be soothing, as comfort is an important aspect of this ritual. Creating a serene environment will help you connect more deeply with your intention. You can also light a candle or play soft music to enhance the atmosphere. This sets the mood and allows you to be fully present in the moment, amplifying the energy of the ritual. 2. Set your intention. Before you begin, take a few moments to set your intention. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on what you want to attract into your life. Visualize abundance flowing into your life effortlessly. Imagine yourself financially secure, joyful, and fulfilled. Hold this image in your mind as you prepare to wash your feet. The stronger your intention, the more effective the ritual will be. You can also say an affirmation such as, "I am open to receiving wealth and abundance in all forms. I release all blocks to my prosperity." Repeat this affirmation several times to build energy and focus. The more detailed your visualization, the stronger the energy that will support your manifestation. 3. Add the ingredients to the water. Start by adding a generous amount of sea salt to the warm water, followed by a pinch of cinnamon. Tear a bay leaf into smaller pieces and add it to the bowl, then squeeze a few drops of lemon juice into the water. As you add each ingredient, take a moment to acknowledge its energetic properties and how it will contribute to your manifestation. For example, as you add the cinnamon, you might say, "I invite prosperity and warmth into my life." Adding each ingredient mindfully helps to enhance the ritual's power and align your energy with your goals. The more intention you put into each step, the more powerful the ritual will become. More. Wash your feet. Gently place your feet into the bowl of warm water. Allow the mixture to cover your feet and take a few deep breaths. As you soak your feet, visualize any negative energy being washed away, making space for abundance and prosperity to enter your life. Feel the warmth of the water and the soothing effect of the ingredients. Imagine that the water is filled with golden light, representing wealth, success, and positivity. Let the golden energy be absorbed through your feet, filling your entire being with light and abundance. Spend at least 5 to 10 minutes soaking your feet, focusing on the feeling of renewal and release. Visualize all your financial worries dissolving, replaced by a sense of calm, confidence, and the certainty that prosperity is flowing into your life. 5. Focus on gratitude. As you continue to wash your feet, focus on feelings of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for manifestation because it raises your vibration and aligns you with the energy of abundance. Take a moment to thank the universe for all the blessings you have received and for the wealth that is on its way to you. Speak words of gratitude aloud, such as, "I am grateful for the prosperity that flows into my life. I am thankful for the opportunities and blessings that come my way." Let these words resonate within you, amplifying the energy of the ritual. Gratitude helps to solidify your intention and create an energetic space where abundance can thrive. The more you embody gratitude, the more you become a magnet for wealth and positivity. 6. Dispose of the water with intention. After you have finished washing your feet, carefully dispose of the water. You can pour it outside on the earth, which symbolizes releasing the old energy and making way for the new. As you pour the water, visualize all the obstacles to your prosperity being removed and replaced by opportunities for growth and success. This act of disposal is symbolic of letting go of anything that no longer serves you and making space for positive changes. As you release the water, feel a sense of lightness and openness, knowing that you have made room for abundance to enter your life. This step is crucial as it represents the completion of the cycle, cleansing, releasing, and allowing new blessings to flow. Why this ritual works? This ritual works on multiple levels: physical, emotional, and spiritual. On a physical level, washing your feet helps you relax and release stress, which is important for maintaining a positive mindset. Emotionally, the ritual helps you connect with your desires and clear away any doubts or fears that may be blocking your path to abundance. Spiritually, the ingredients used in this ritual each carry a specific energy that helps to attract wealth and prosperity. The combination of sea salt, cinnamon, bay leaves, and lemon juice creates a powerful blend of cleansing, attraction, and manifestation. The act of washing your feet with these ingredients also serves as a symbolic gesture of renewal and readiness to move forward on your journey to prosperity. By cleansing your feet, you are energetically clearing your path and setting the intention to walk towards a future filled with abundance. This ritual helps you align with the vibration of wealth and reinforces your belief that you are deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. The more often you perform this ritual, the more you strengthen your energetic connection to prosperity and abundance. Boosting the power of the ritual. If you want to enhance the effectiveness of this foot washing ritual, you can incorporate additional elements to boost its power. Crystals. Place a citrine or pyrite crystal near the bowl of water while performing the ritual. Citrine is known for its ability to attract wealth and abundance, while pyrite is often called fool's gold for its association with prosperity and success. These crystals can amplify your intention and help to draw positive energy towards you. Holding the crystal in your hand while setting your intention can further boost the ritual's power. Crystals are powerful conduits of energy and can magnify the effect of your rituals by adding their unique vibrations to your intentions. Candles. Light a green or gold candle before beginning the ritual. Green represents growth and abundance, while gold symbolizes wealth and prosperity. The element of fire adds a transformative energy, helping to ignite your intentions and send them out into the universe. Watching the flame as you perform the ritual can help you focus your thoughts and deepen your connection to your intention. The flickering light serves as a visual representation of your intentions being carried out into the universe, creating a direct link between your desires and their manifestation. Music. Play soft, uplifting music or nature sounds in the background to create a relaxing and positive atmosphere. Music can help you get into a meditative state and deepen your connection to the ritual. Choose music that resonates with feelings of abundance and joy. The sound of flowing water, gentle chimes, or soft instrumental music can help elevate the energy of the space and make your ritual even more powerful. Music has the ability to shift our mood and energy, making it a wonderful tool to enhance the potency of the ritual. Journaling. After completing the ritual, take a few moments to write down your experience and any insights that came to you during the process. Journaling helps to solidify your intentions and track your progress over time. You can also write down any signs or synchronicities that you notice in the days following the ritual, as these are often indications that your intentions are manifesting. Reflecting on your experience and tracking your progress helps you stay committed to your goals and strengthens your connection to your desired outcomes. Final thoughts. Manifesting wealth and abundance is about aligning yourself with the energy of prosperity and taking consistent action towards your goals. This foot washing ritual is a simple yet powerful way to clear away negative energy, set your intentions, and invite positive change into your life. By combining the symbolic act of washing your feet with the energetic properties of sea salt, cinnamon, bay leaves, and lemon, you create a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. If you're ready to attract wealth and abundance, give this ritual a try and see how it can transform your life. Remember, the key to manifestation is belief, intention, and consistent practice. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor and that you are worthy of all the blessings it has to offer. By performing this ritual regularly, you will strengthen your connection to the energy of prosperity and create a life filled with abundance and joy. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and rituals to help you manifest your dreams and improve your well-being. We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your results in the comments and let us know how this foot washing ritual has helped you. May your path be filled with abundance, prosperity, and joy. Remember that each small step you take brings you closer to your goals, and by inviting positive energy into your life, you create endless opportunities for growth and success.